Great morning, investors. So, wow, we have a great property to show you today. This is a fourplex, so a quadplex, some people might call that. A lot of people are asking me all the time for these small multifamily properties that can be taken in on one loan. So, this is an opportunity to take one of your precious 10 Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac loans and purchase one property. So, it's a $285,000 property, a little bit higher than what you guys are, usually seeing on my website, but it's 4 units. So anytime someone can purchase 4 doors, one closing, one inspection, one appraisal, one um, precious loan taken up, there's a lot of benefits to that for some of you guys. So this isn't right for everyone, but this is definitely something a lot of you have been asking me for. Duplexes, quadplexes, fourplexes. It comes up a lot in my one-on-one sessions with you guys. So I'm so proud to bring this to you today. So from jameswachob.com, you sign in and I'll have all the properties available. And yes, this has been a record-breaking year. As you see, we are nearly sold out. Every time a great property hits the site, I send out an email like this. We sell 2 to 3 properties. It's a good problem to have in my shoes, but we're not going to waver the type of properties we bring you just to have inventory. We're going to stick to our guns, buy houses, work with properties that are in areas that we believe in, that we want to manage in, because we're going to be managing this for you long term. So the property we're looking at today is 5787 Cherry Road. Like I said earlier, the purchase price is $285,000. This is an 8-bedroom, 4-bath property, and it's a big rectangular square of a property. It's a tank, as you like to hear me say. Built in 1960, the target rent's $2,400 gross for all 4 units. The cash-on-cash return is 7.35%. Monthly cash flow of $363, and I rated this neighborhood a B. Let's dig into that a little bit. So this is Google Maps, and it's showing us the outline of the entire zip code 38117. So I personally lived at the north side of 38117 about 3 years ago, till I moved 2 miles away into the 38111 zip code. But 38117 runs from Sam Cooper Boulevard all the way down to 240. And its borders are White Station, Goodlet, and Cherry. So that's the rectangular block of Memphis, the zip code 38117. It's one of the most appreciating zip codes in the area. Now, this little property we're looking at today is on the southwestern border of 38117. If this property were closer to Poplar Avenue, right here, running right through the zip code, it would be untouchable price-wise. If it was, in this area by Walnut Grove, these homes, $500,000–700,000. So just to be in this zip code is a big point, knowing that it is on the southwestern border of the zip code, but it's a great little area. A lot of people call this area Colonial Acres. So a macro to micro, where is this property? From downtown Memphis. We follow Poplar Avenue, labeled it on Google Maps as Highway 72. It is the vein of money that runs through Memphis. Every bank and bond company, every high-end women's clothing store, every nice restaurant is going to be on or right off of Poplar Avenue. So if we zoom into Poplar Avenue, the botanical gardens due south down Cherry Road, and that's where we find this quadplex. So you've seen a lot of single families that I've done to the right over here. This is an anomaly. There's very few quadplexes in the area. So to be able to find something like this is really a hidden jewel. If we scroll around, single families across the street, it's very rare that we would have a little quadplex here. It makes me wonder about the developer back in the 1960s when he built this. What was the mindset? Because there's not many of these around. Maybe the developer developed the community and built this for himself. I'd love to go back in time and see that story. So one other tool I have on the website is click here to view the report of the Memphis area sales report that's put out quarterly. If you click on that button, it's going to open up the big report. We're looking at the East Memphis column right here, and it'll give you all the stats about the area, the growth, the absorption rates, what we've seen change from 17 to 18, and soon we'll get the numbers from 18 to 19. And then this is 18 to 19. Soon we'll be getting the numbers in midway through next year, showing us comparison from 2019 to 2020. Wow, it's already upon us. So from the website, if you click on the picture of any of my houses, it's going to open up what we call the diligence vault. In the diligence vault, first thing you're going to get is the basics. So bedroom, bathroom count, heated square footage, systems. So all air conditionings, all water heaters, all furnaces, the roof, brand new. So this house, this quadplex is being rebuilt from the ground up. The construction is still in progress. One of the units is completely gutted and underway now, and it's been sequenced in a way so that we can get some renters moved in while the construction's being finished. So the pictures we'll look at a little bit of the first finished unit, and it's really well done. The second scope of work you're going to see is a more detailed scope, everything that's being done to the house. So the 30-year new roof, meaning that the manufacturer of the roof says this is a 30-year roof system. New cabinets, paint, doorknobs, you name it. This property has got it all. If we look at the financial breakdown, it's a 7.35% cash on cash return, meaning the total investment needed from you guys, about $60,000. And then you take your net operating income, so gross multiplied times 12 minus all expenses, divide that number into your cash needed to purchase the property, gives us a 7% net return to you guys year over year. The next thing I put in to all of my diligence vaults is your property data sheet. This gives you all the information that I have as a real estate broker, from the taxes, showing the exact tax amount from the tax assessor, not an estimate. The last time it was appraised, it's been a while. So this property's been owned by the same person for a while, it looks like. Shows you that it's not in a flood zone, so you wouldn't have to buy flood insurance. A lot of good data here on the property data sheet. And then comparison sales. So this one we had to stretch a little bit because it is an anomaly. I'd hate to be the appraiser assigned this task. Let's roll down to the map real quick, and you'll see I had to stretch way out to find other quadplexes that we could use. So we're going all the way into Midtown to find something similar, to find the comparable sales for this property. You see some of them sold as high as $375,000, as low as $230,000, $220,000. This property, fully renovated, based on cash flow, is a no-brainer. Let's check out some of the interior pictures of the property. So LVP floors, you're getting really used to seeing this, the gray walls, the white trim, new 110 outlets, new light switches, all the mechanicals are being replaced. But it's got a nice big open living room, and then you come back to this area and you're going to come into the kitchen, and then 2 bedrooms, 1 bath in the back. So we'll scroll through some of these pictures. You can see this great renovation underway. Brand new cabinets. They still have the paper on them. New Formica countertops, a big stainless steel gooseneck faucet, and matching cabinet hardware. You've got the black Ventahood in already. The washer dryer are in the kitchen because it's an older unit. There's the hallway that takes you from the kitchen down to the 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. So here's bedroom number 1. Number 2, and you notice this recessed lighting throughout, and a really cool updated bathroom with a gray vanity with white top, new toilet, LVP floors, even into the bathroom, and then your tub shower combo. It's a good look. The electrical's being updated, nice big storage, new units, new furnaces. So this one is a very rare find from jameswachob.com. We're excited to manage this property. We're excited to offer it to our investors. Management. So let's talk about foundation property management, which has taken off like wildfire. You guys have been so responsive. We're certainly honored to be not only your provider of quality properties, but manager. If you have properties that you'd like to talk to us about managing, we are definitely open to that. Just reach out to us. Schedule a call with me. I want to introduce you to my partner, Dawn Kennard, who is our principal broker. Dawn has an extensive real estate background, from land development and home building. She has a lot of experience working with our local government, with the Shelby County and Memphis governments. And so we teamed up to bring to you what we knew was needed. Someone who's going to manage their properties as if they're our own. Treat our clients' assets as if they were our own is one of our mottos at Foundation Property Management. Go to foundationpm.com for more information there. We want to be a catalyst to help you achieve your real estate investment goals in every way. So from purchasing the properties in areas that we believe in, fully renovating these properties, and then manage them for you moving forward. That's a true turnkey process. And I'm honored and humbled to work with so many of you guys, and have almost completely sold out of our inventory. But don't worry, our acquisitions team is working hard daily to fulfill that need for great quality properties. I put 3 under contract yesterday. Stay tuned for more great properties. Reach out to me. I want to talk to you guys one-on-one as much as possible. Schedule a call with me. Come to Memphis. I want you to see the campus, meet the team, and see what we're doing to help so many investors affect that bottom line in a positive way. Thank you and have a great day.